So, this is a disclaimer. I'm gonna probably put it at the beginning of the video, but this is a new song I have been practicing. I wanted to let you guys know that because it is a little bit bad, it's scratchy a little bit, but I already see y'all haters typing in the comments, you can't even play piano. I know, that's why I'm practicing. But yeah, this is all of me. It's a practice song, so I hope you guys do enjoy the rest of the video, and do so. This is All of Me by John Legend. Take one, let's get it. What would I do without your smart mouth? Draw me in and you're kicking me out. Got my head messed up already. This is take 4. Are you kidding me? I can't get this done. Go. Take 5. Hopefully this works. What would I do without your smart mouth? Draw me in and you're kicking me out. Got my head spinning. No kidding. Okay. What's cooking? Alright, this is take 7. John Legend. Here we go. All of Me. What's cooking, guys? I'm Eddie Jr. from The Kid Brothers. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. That would be greatly appreciated if you're not following us yet, of course. This is going to be All of Me by John Legend. I nailed that intro. Here we go. But then I messed up! What's up, guys? What's cooking, guys? Alright, so this is, I'm at the, oh my god, what the heck was I saying? I love this game so much. I don't even know what the heck I was trying to play there. Your smart mouth, draw me in and you're kicking me out. Got my, oh my god, I messed up again and I can't figure this out. Alright, let's try this one more time.